Understanding food safety regulations in the agricultural sector. Title: Understanding food safety regulations in the agricultural sector. Introduction, 100 words. Food safety is a crucial aspect of the agricultural sector, as it ensures that the food we consume is safe, free from contaminants, and poses no risks to human health. To achieve this, various food safety regulations are implemented throughout the agricultural supply chain, from production to distribution. In this article, we will delve into the importance of food safety in the agricultural sector, and explore the key regulations that govern the industry. By understanding these regulations, farmers, food processors, and consumers can actively contribute to ensuring safe and wholesome food. Introduction. Importance of food safety in agriculture, 200 words. Food safety in the agricultural sector is of utmost importance due to its impact on public health. Contaminated food can cause illness and, in severe cases, even lead to loss of life. Therefore, it's essential to have stringent regulations to prevent foodborne illnesses and protect consumers. Agricultural practices, such as crop cultivation, animal husbandry, and pesticide use, can potentially introduce contaminants into the food production chain. The implementation of food safety regulations provides guidelines and standards that farmers and other industry stakeholders must abide by to reduce these risks. By adhering to these regulations, farmers can ensure that their agricultural products meet the required safety standards and do not pose harm to consumers. These practices cover areas such as soil and water management, pesticide usage, handling of manure and other inputs, and worker hygiene. GAPs enable farmers to minimize risks associated with microbia, contamination, chemical residues, and physical hazards. By following GAPs, farmers enhance the safety and quality of their products. It involves a 7-step process that assesses hazards, establishes critical control points, and monitors their effectiveness. CCP plans are essential for producers, processors, and distributors, as they provide a proactive framework to prevent food contamination throughout the supply chain. 3. Traceability. Traceability ensures that the movement of agricultural products can be traced from farm to fork. By providing a transparent record of production, processing, and distribution activities, traceability allows for quick and targeted recalls in case of foodborne outbreaks or safety concerns. In the agricultural sector, traceability is crucial for identifying the source of contamination, investigating incidents, and preventing further distribution of unsafe products. GMPs encompass aspects such as facility design, sanitation procedures, personnel hygiene, equipment maintenance, and quality control measures. Following GMPs ensures that food processors maintain clean and unsanitary environments, reducing the risk of contamination during food transformation processes. These organizations conduct inspections, audits, and tests to ensure that stakeholders comply with the regulations. Farmers, food processors, and distributors are responsible for understanding and implementing appropriate food safety practices. Compliance with regulations is not only a legal obligation but also a moral responsibility to ensure public health. Regular training, certification programs, and audits help ensure that industry stakeholders understand and follow current food safety standards. Food safety certifications and audits, 450 words. Food safety certifications and audits play a crucial role in ensuring compliance with regulations in the agricultural sector. Certifications provide independent verification that a farm or facility meets specific food safety standards. Audits, on the other hand, are comprehensive evaluations conducted by qualified auditors to assess compliance with regulations. One widely recognized food safety certification is the Global Food Safety Initiative (GFSI) certification. GFSI sets internationally recognized standards and benchmarks that food businesses can adhere to. GFSI certification demonstrates that a farm or facility has implemented effective food safety management systems and practices. Another prominent certification is the Safe Quality Food (SQF) certification. The SQF program is designed to ensure the safety and quality of food products and is recognized by retailers and food service providers globally. By achieving SQF certification, farms and facilities can demonstrate their commitment to food safety and meet customer requirements. In addition to certifications, audits are conducted by both internal and third-party auditors to evaluate compliance with regulations. Internal audits are performed by personnel within the organization to assess their own food safety practices. Third-party audits, on the other hand, involve an independent auditor who evaluates the farm or facility's compliance with regulations. These audits can cover various aspects of food safety, such as sanitation practices, pest control, employee training, and documentation. The auditor may inspect facilities, review records, and interview staff to ensure that all necessary procedures and practices are in place. Regular audits and certifications not only demonstrate a commitment to food safety but also provide reassurance to consumers and business partners. These initiatives help build trust in the agricultural sector and ensure that food products meet the highest standards of safety and quality. Emerging trends and challenges, 236 words. As the agricultural sector continues to evolve, new trends and challenges in food safety regulations are emerging. One key trend is the increasing demand for organic food products. Organic farming practices prioritize natural inputs and reduce the use of synthetic chemicals. However, ensuring food safety in organic farming requires a careful balance between sustainable practices and the prevention of microbial contamination. Another challenge is the globalization of the food supply chain. With food products being sourced from various regions, ensuring consistent adherence to food safety regulations becomes more complex. Harmonization of regulations and stronger international cooperation are necessary to address this challenge effectively. Furthermore, advancements in technology, such as blockchain, are being explored to enhance traceability in the agricultural sector. Food safety training and education, 300 words. Training and education play a vital role in ensuring food safety in the agricultural sector. Farmers, food processors, and workers need to be aware of and trained in the proper practices and guidelines to minimize the risk of contamination and ensure safe food production. Various organizations and institutions offer training programs and resources to educate industry stakeholders. These programs cover topics such as food handling and storage, proper use of pesticides and fertilizers, hygiene practices, and post-harvest handling. By participating in these training programs, farmers and workers gain the necessary knowledge to implement food safety practices effectively. Furthermore, Continuous education and awareness campaigns are essential to keep up with evolving food safety regulations and best practices. As new research and technologies emerge, it is crucial for industry professionals to stay updated and informed about the latest developments. This requires active participation in workshops, webinars, conferences, and industry events focused on food safety. Government agencies and industry associations also play a significant role in promoting food safety education. They provide resources, guidelines, and workshops to help farmers and food processors understand and comply with regulations. Additionally, these organizations often collaborate with educational institutions to develop curriculum and training materials that focus on food safety practice. Moreover, consumer education is vital to empower individuals to make informed choices and handle food safely at home. Programs aimed at educating consumers about proper food handling, storage, and preparation can help minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses. Innovation and technology in food safety, 250 words.